Hi guys, so today I'm going to be curling my hair. I'm going to texturize using this curl texturizer. As you can see, my hair is 4C kinky, very kinky, so I just want to soften it. I haven't done it for a while, so I just decided to do it today. So I'll start by using the Vaseline just to protect my skin. So I'll take my glasses off for now. So I'll put it right there so the chemical doesn't damage my skin. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to wear my gloves. Oops. And then I'll apply this. I'll start from the back. Because my hair is kinky, I just have to cover it up with a cream. Yeah. It is that kinky, so I'll be alright. But the front, I have to be careful because I'm trying to grow my front, so I don't put chemical on the front. Okay, there you go. So this chemical will stay in there for about 10 minutes. Okay. So yeah, so I'm gonna need to make sure it's covered everywhere. Let's see if I can just leave that to there. Okay. There. So I'm going to mix it with my hands before I comb it, so that the whole head is covered and the hair is also covered with the chemical. Okay, I have a mirror here where I'm actually looking. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I'm going to use a wide tooth to comb this one. That's what I'm going to use. So I'll start from the back. The reason why I'm using this big comb is because I want the curls to be that big, so it helps me define the curls. Okay, so I have to do it quite fast because if I get itchy I'll just wash it off. This hair is kinky. I think you can actually hear the sound of the comb going like guys. This hair, oh, you're silly hair. It's coming out nice. Yeah, see? It's coming out really nice. Texturizer. It's coming out nice. Can you see the curls? Can you see? I don't mind the ends breaking because they have to go. They have to go because the hair was, I didn't apply chemical to this hair for nearly 2 years. So there was no chemical in it. No chemical at all. Can you see? Can you see? Seems to be coming out okay. Right. So the time is 1:15. So I'm giving myself 10 minutes just to leave the hair, the chemical in, and then I'm gonna wash it. All right. Now it's 10 minutes. I've been waiting, so I'm going to go and wash the hair. So here are the curls. I hope they're coming out nice. Here they are. Okay, so I'm gonna go and wash my hair and I'll come back. Yeah, so the hair is washed. This is it. And I'm going to put in some leave-in conditioner repair cream, this one. Yes, I'll put that. And I'm going to put some coconut curling cream. Oops. This one, curling cream. Yeah. Right. And I'm also going to add the color activator. Color activator. Ooh. That one. That's the color activator. As the name says it all, it's a color activator. It is to activate the cows. I might have to wear my glasses now so that I see what I'm doing. Color activator. Color activator. My hair is so, it's been done properly. Right, so where's the comb? I'm going to get this one and try to define the curls. Or I can use this tail comb if I want, just to pick the curls. Or I can use this white tool to comb just to make sure. So it's up to you what you want to use. So I've got quite a few of them here which I can actually use, so I'll stick to this one. I had to put on my glasses so that I can see what I'm doing, guys. So I'll just put a little bit again of curling, what do you call it? World of Curls curl activator, because my hair is really dry. I'm quite happy the curls have come up really nice. Can you see? The curls have really come up really nice. Okay. Right. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. So you need to take your time to make sure the curls are well defined and they've curled, but it looks like it's done really well. That cream is going to sink into the hair, so that's fine. Right, so I want to do the front. Just want to style it so that it looks just want to try some baby hairs, the famous baby hairs. So I need to take off my glasses for this. I hope I'll be able to see what I'm doing. So for this I need that Eco Styling Gel. Let's do my baby hairs. So I'll just go like, make the hair go flat, the front. Okay. For me, I don't do complicated baby hairs. I just want something simple, easy to do, something that anyone can do. So I'll show you in a minute what I'll do. Right. So basically, I just take the tail comb, this, and I just draw. That's how I do my baby hairs. See? Okay. That's how I do my baby hairs. Nothing too complicated. That's me done. My baby hair's done, and voila! So that's my completed hairstyle. Let me put my glasses. Let me see what's there. Right, I'm quite happy with it. Yeah, I am quite happy with it. Okay, this is the look, guys. You see, even if I use this wide comb to just, the curls will still bounce back. And if I do it there, the curls are still going to bounce back. So the creams I've used are going to soak into the hair, and the same curls are going to stay like that. If you want, you can just blow dry it with just cold air. Okay, so that's the look. And all this is going to dry in. Okay, it's going to dry in. And so just to summarize what I've used, I put Cantu in, leave-in conditioner. I've put in Cantu, this one. I have put in the activator gel, curl activator, and okay, a little bit of baby curls. Sorry, what's that? Is it showing? Yeah, baby curls. I didn't put much of that, just tiny bit, but the most I've used is this one and this one. Okay, and that's it. And my comb. And guys, to do my baby hairs is this Eco Gel and the small comb where I'll just write. Or you can even use a pen like this, and just go like doing some lines. That's how I did it. So I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching. You take care. Bye.